everyone. Myself, Balvan Singh. I have been associated with Harman since last 3 years. I'm here about to demonstrate some of the AMX new digital presentation switches. One of them is called Insight switches and the other is PRS 7142. Now within the Insight switches, we have three different models, and those models are Insight 813, 813A and 813AC. Now when we consider these digital switches, we know that everyone has digital switches. The plus point of AMX digital switches is that they support 4K 60 frames and they also support color space of 4:4:4. Within the Insight, the other advanced feature is that it can do a windowing. Within, for example, if you have two feeds coming in, you can have those two feeds one top of the other, or maybe side by side, or maybe PIP. So within this Insight, for example, we have two analog inputs, RGB inputs, then we have four HDMI inputs and two, we call it as DX Lite inputs. So which obviously, when I say DX Lite, it means it can travel a distance of 70 meters over a single Cat5 shielded cable, and we have two HDMI outputs available and a DX Lite output available. With the DX Link transmitter, we can use as input for the switcher, and DX Lite receiver being used at the receiver end or at the display end. Now when I say it supports 4K with 4K 60 frames as well as the color space of 4:4, and it can travel a distance of 70 meters on this DX Lite port. Apart from that, it carries BSS DSP built in within the same unit. Also, it supports DBX advanced feedback suppression features within the same box. It carries, apart from the normal switching, digital video switching, it carries the BSS DSP as well as the DBX advanced feedback suppression features within the same unit. When I say DSP, obviously the equalization, 10-band parametric equalization at the inputs, and for each input I can set the gain parameter as per my requirement. Also the compression parameters also I can set for all the inputs available on the Insight switchers. So when I say Insight 813, it's a 8:1, 8:1 switcher, and which can be mirrored to two more outputs. And then we have 813A, which supports the audio, that is amplification, along with the switching. And then we have 813AC, which has got built-in controller along with the switcher and audio part, that is amplification part. So this is all about the Insight switchers. When we come across 7142, we have a all-in-one presentation switcher called 7142. Apart from the switching capabilities built in, we have networked AV slots with the model. So there are two networked slots available within which we can have any of the SPSI encoders or decoders, cage-based or rack-based, being installed into the system. So it has again four HDMI inputs, two analog RGB HV switches with all-in-one presentation switches like 813AC, where we have the switching capabilities built in, the amplification built in, and then we have the control part also built into the same switcher. So I have a single rack unit, say for two rack unit which I can place into the rack, and that supports everything from switching to control in the single boardroom. So I don't need to have multiple units for switching, for controlling, for audio in a single boardroom, but I can have a single box to control everything in a single boardroom. So that will always save my rack space, which is very important. So that's why, this switcher removes or replaces three units into a single box.